Yeah, I turned it on for your ass. This finna be some fuck shit, and I'm standing on this. Like I said, technically, you was right, but also in that same sentence, you was wrong. Now, let me explain to you why you was wrong. You knew where you bought that cheese from. Mm-hmm. Okay, correct?
Yes.
Follow me on this. You knew where you bought the cheese from with unequivocally, without a doubt, in your mind, you knew where you got that cheese from. Mm-hmm. I didn't. No. Before you interject, I did not. Right? Mm-hmm. Okay, now, because I didn't know, I assumed, because I seen the cheese in Save-A-Lot as the cheese in the jar, I assumed it was the same brand. Now, follow me on this. Because that I knew that and you knew what you knew, I drew my line in the sand. And you know when I draw my line in the sand, I'm not moving, I'm not budging.
I'm a park down here.
But anyway, so basically, you were wrong because you decided to go against me on it, even though you knew the truth from the get-go. When you should have just said, okay, you got that and fell back. You knew where you bought it from. I did not.
But that's what I did. I said, no, I got that from Aldi's, and you was with me when I kept getting all them jars from Aldi's. Because you said you need to start getting all that cheese.
I don't remember that shit.
And you was like, no, got that from Save-A-Lot. So I figured, I was like, you know what? Terry just trying to play with me.
No, I was serious.
He just messing with me right now.
I felt like I was right.
I'm going to let him have that.
Like I was right. Oh, this is perfect time to do a review. This is the cheese we're talking about, by the way. This cheese comes from Save-A-Lot. It costs you $1 and some change. Nice little. This how you gotta do it.
You doing a promo or
something?
Yeah,
doing a promo. Look at that. This how you gotta do it. Boom. Hit them with the, the slow turn. Slow turn. There go all your nutritious facts. Very keto friendly.
It's a pocket down on the end, ain't it? So when she come in, I just fall behind her.
Okay.
Yeah, we waiting on my mama to come so we get.
We go on to Dairy Queen, and I got Hershey's. I'm crushing it up because it's going in my blizzard.
I wanted the food to blow out back. Boy, don't hit me in my head with it.
I didn't hit you in your head with it, and you ain't got to holler at me.
Why would you hit me in the head?
Don't holler at me though.
Well, you shouldn't.
I beat your ass.
Ooh, I almost said something. What you almost said?
Don't. I was about to say, don't put your hands on me. Don't holler at me like that. Why are we coming over here? Park me so I can look at some butt. At least park right here.
I'm finna back in.
I'm gonna look at butt.
Finna back in. So when mama pull up, we can just get on.
Just too far from all the butt. It's this thing, man. Yeah.
You know your wife cannot back up. She gonna back up.
Pretty hell.
I know I'm cooking. I'm in there. I'm in the line. I bet you I'm in the line, sir.
That's all good.
I'm in the lines.
Anyway, back to our original point.
Tell you ain't got no point. Tell me your beard.
I'm right. What's that movie? Get Rich or Die Trying. Terrence Howard character. We like, I'm right. Even when I'm wrong, I'm right. Because I could have been wrong, but I was right. Or something like that. That look like your brother. He look like a gay version of your brother.
He does.
He is in his own world. He either just clocked out or about to clock in.
Right there.
All right.
There you go, mommy. All right, y'all. We'll come back when we get our ice
Don't
cream.
be telling the people about it. This ain't your video, number one. This going on my channel. Matter of fact, let me end this so I can send this to my damn self. We holla.
All right, y'all. We back. Terry not in the camera.
Oh, I can't be in this video? You bald head fight.
He wouldn't set the camera up for me, and
bald
I
head
asked him
fight.
to. That head joker. But y'all, I got the new
week back. You ain't even posted the first video.
The new apple caramel blizzard.
Doo-doo.
Oh,
and you didn't put your seatbelt on.
Yeah,
that's why you gonna have dinging through the whole video.
No, I'm not. I'm finna put this seatbelt on right now, bud. Mama behind us. Come.
Right.
How long, buddy? see me trying to get my life together. Ooh, this thing's shaking. It's shaking. But yeah, y'all. Hope y'all can see me. Ooh, turn this on, baby.
Nope. I ain't in the video. I ain't helping direct or none of that. Let me do nothing.
Cause you ain't shut it up right. And I'm still doing it wrong. Y'all, it's good.
Mama come to the house. I want to get naked.
She's on. She's on.
Okay, I don't mind.
You can go in the house, me and Mom probably gonna sit in the car. Why you asking? Y'all, I was kind of afraid to get this because I thought it was going to be nasty. But it don't taste bad. It don't taste no apple yet.
You got too much dead time in your videos. You need to talk to the people.
You need to mind your business.
Engage them.
You need to mind your business. You see me trying to get
The whole
my
purpose of
seatbelt
a
together.
vlog is to talk to somebody as if they're right next to you.
First of all, you always in people's business. You worry about your channel. You worry about what you do in your video. When did you last post?
I do thug stuff in my videos. How about that? That's what happened in my videos. Thug stuff happened.
Worse than me. No.
I got a couple big booty thoughts coming through.
You ain't got
We
nothing.
do all kinds of stuff in my
You a
videos.
whole life.
We be flashing money. Had a fish fry.
When was
All
this?
kinds of stuff going on in my videos.
But I ain't seen
Don't worry
nothing.
about it when it happens. It's under my private Pornhub chat. That's what it is.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I got an OnlyFans where I don't do nothing but
You
put,
got an OnlyFans?
all I do is put Vaseline on my mustache
How much
and I make $1,000 off of that.
How much is it, bro? I want to be in there. I don't fit in. I'm gonna invest in your future. How much is it?
My OnlyFans is Harry Mustache _ Big Sexy Baby.
Wait a minute.
How about that?
You liar. You lying ass.
I'm not how you call me. You don't call me no lie. You don't know me. You don't know me. I bet you ain't gonna say nothing on OnlyFans when you start calling in.
I'm gonna spend that.
Have all these old women out here wanting to get with me.
Whatever, they can try. They ain't gonna get you.
I don't get better sugar, mama. I'm gonna leave you. I'm tired of this, man. You're gonna leave my mama at the red light, huh?
Mama know how to get here. We right down the road.
So, everybody
I
damn
just
good
taste a
about.
piece of apple. They got little chunks of caramel in it. It's good.
You got your damn lights on, fuck. Oh, it might be automatic. I'm just getting mad. People might have automatic lights. Thank you, baby. I needed that.
You're welcome, my love.
Clear view, little picture.
That's why we got each other.
Man, I see you, Miss Sealy. Oh, is that there, that jail?
Your days is
That damn jail, that been like the Rotterdam. I see you, Miss Sealy. I know there's a card.
Jerk that thing. Your whole little scooter gonna fall on the back of that thing.
Your little Subaru, you better chill out for your bumper
Did
fall
it
off.
hit the ground?
Yeah.
Did this thing hit the ground?
It bounced like it was.
He
And
gonna
this
knock
right
the little
here,
scooter off.
pull up at a store and not be able to walk in there. I'm like, ah, damn.
I dropped it
I
there.
done dropped my scooter head.
The whole thing done fell off. I don't know why he dipped the back of that car down like that.
You want y'all to know.
Wasn't nobody gonna go.
He was burning out on y'all. That's how you burn out in the Subaru.
That's enough. I hope he didn't get that Jeep from Bill Bryant.
You gonna leave Bill Bryan alone.
No, I'm not, Terry. And I'm glad they do got a lifetime warranty on stuff, because they gonna need that lifetime warranty on them Jeeps. Had them Jeeps sliding down that hill for years. I'm glad somebody told them about them ramps.
That thing Friday night, you gotta call them Monday morning. Like, why my car won't go in reverse, man?
Why I smell something burning?
Let's see about that.
Why is it squeaking every time I turn the wheel? I don't know what's going on right now.
Oh, look at the play set. I want the play set.
For what? For what? What girl you got that can play with that right now?
For me.
What you going? Sometimes I wonder about you.
Nigga, I'm not finna play with it.
But where you gonna put it?
In your house.
We ain't putting it. We ain't got no room for that. Yeah, I didn't even show y'all the inside.
Cause you was driving, video bouncing.
It was good, y'all. I mean, it is good. You want to taste it, baby?
I got so much chocolate in my mouth.
I'm cook it.
Just like they're gonna do. Can't pull it next to a car, save your life.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh,
though.
probably because we bought a house, so it's on Wi-Fi now.
I wanted to try this one. I was gonna do Oreo with the fudge brownie, or the what the other one was, the turtles and pecan clusters. But I seen that they had apple pie, so I'm gonna get that one. I'm not trying no pumpkin. I don't even like pumpkin. It tastes earthy. I'm sorry to the pumpkin lovers. I just can't do it. I'm good.
Don't apologize for your weird ass. Tell them how you feel. We black. We eat sweet potatoes.
Black people don't eat
pumpkin. I know they do. That's why I'm not saying that black folk don't eat pumpkin. It's black folk don't like sweet potatoes, but they weird ass. And vice versa, there's some white people that like. You get what I'm saying? Don't ruin it for me, okay? Roll with what I said and just let it be what it be.
My grandma used to keep them some sweet potatoes in the garden, cane, and greens.
Yeah.
He was gonna have that.
She almost fell in the truck.
She fell in the back seat. Hey, mommy.
Come on, girl.
You welcome there.
Can you sit in the middle so you can be on the video? We're going.
Mama don't want to be on camera.
She's about to be on camera today. I say hey to the people. You got to slide your head over and say hey to the people.
You gonna cut my head off.
You got your teeth in your mouth?
Yes.
We can't be having no video. You got no teeth in your mouth.
I'm saying hush.
Got a minute.
You make sure you put that in there, sir.
I said, Mom, you gonna be on the video with me? We're gonna talk about something. She was like, I'll talk about it, but I ain't being on camera.
Got to be on camera. This is so good.
Mama's shy.
They put nuts on there. One of the other they put nuts on there.
I mean, it's a banana split, though. If it's a classic banana split, that is, then you're going to have the nuts on it.
Probably because some people don't like nuts on it.
But if it's a classic,
I don't know the difference.
Still with you, Terry, like you told Tia.
Shut up.
Is she pregnant?
Hmm?
Is she pregnant?
I don't know. This might be too much ice cream. I ain't gonna lie to you.
That's because I'm eating tonight.
It's gonna give you boo-boos. It's gonna make you do on yourself.
No, you. What happened, Mom?
What?
You said, uh-oh.
No, I said I need it.
Oh.
You say you need the boo-boo on yourself?
Terry, stop! If you do, I'm coming on business. Oh. Mama said that Terry is her son and not yours.
My mom felt some kind of way.
We share.
Yeah, there you go.
Y'all share. I thought it was funny. Okay, I don't know. It was good.
What you got?
Apple pie.
Apple pie and caramel. I don't taste no that much caramel in it. Oh, well, they got the chunks in it. I thought they was gonna like drizzle it in here. But these got the chunks.
Y'all see my bad driving.
That's all right. We're just gonna pray for you.
I need it.
She's best so steering wheel. Worse than me.
But she's driving all the time, so you know. What happened? Matter of fact, where the car at?
Okay.
And y'all started cutting up. I think I need some transmission fluid.
Thank you, Mom. Cause Nora trying to be technical, but she's about to get slapped.
I done told you, you slap me, I'm gonna slap you back. Now, let's not be violent on this video. You know I already hit my head with candy. If you don't pull your britches up, boy, too old for that. This was a lot of ice cream. I probably should have got a medium. Oh, she ain't got no teeth for her mouth.
Yeah.
I wonder if they put
You gotta talk to the people.
cinnamon toast crunch in here.
Talk to the people.
I think that is cinnamon toast crunch cereal. Party at it again. I'm eating. Y'all don't mind if I sit here and eat, do you?
That way your ass ain't got but 2 subscribers. Right
I
now.
have more than that.
You got 2. And stop putting that ice cream in your mouth like you trying to suck on a pecker or something.
Shut up! Your mouth.
You think how you put ice cream in your mouth, Mom? Being all seductive.
But ain't nobody been.
This is for YouTube. This ain't porn.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Little nasty.
Carol, only you see that. I don't you would say that, man.
No, I don't. Okay.
Ain't no nuts on him.
Listen.
That was pineapples.
How do you confuse a pineapple
For
Well,
nuts.
I was thinking it looked like nuts. But
You might have shouldn't have ate them pineapples.
but they didn't taste.
If the pineapple has gotten hard enough to where it can resemble a nut.
Well, you know the
brown.
nuts wet. They kind of soft.
Mm.
I know I can't see good. You home now,
Is that
boy, get
twins?
dog.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we got a bunch of them in there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm eating ice cream and people watching now.
Listen, back to the point I was trying to make. You need to go in the comment section of some of these videos, especially mukbang videos. Y'all be thinking y'all doing that stuff for PG-13 rated people. It be perverts in them comments, okay? They be sitting there watching every little nuance y'all be making. He might not comment. He might just be watching.
I ain't got that many subscribers yet.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't got no problem.
Give me keys. I'm going in here.
I'm
Oh,
almost there.
can I borrow y'all key to my house?
You got no house?
You done locked yourself out the house? Nope. I
Just
ain't
got no
decided whether or not I want to get to it or not. She gonna have to learn her lesson.
Where your key at?
To the house.
You left them on your car key.
Oh, well. Okay, well, then that makes sense. I guess you get a pass for that.
Thank you.
Don't you
It
just
was
up
nice
and lost it.
eating sweetening with y'all.
Want some chocolate?
No, thank you, baby.
Want chocolate, mama?
I'm good.
Don't forget, folks, y'all. I was wasting my money on chocolate. Y'all something else.
Ain't nobody tell you to buy that.
You ain't racist. You're racist.
No, I'm just talking.
He gonna throw it in the trash.
No more with it. I'm sorry, wait.
He gonna stick it down in the cup, Mom.
Too late.
I knew you were going to throw it away.
You take going in there, too.
Damn, nasty. I'm sorry that nigga my hand
two
now.
peas in the pod. It's trash now. Let it be trash.
Damn, nasty. Oh, you get to go back in and it ain't even dark yet.
Yeah.
Did you take the wrong key? Okay, take my...
Thank y'all so much. It was nice.
You're welcome, my man.
Take my cilantro.
Take my cup, too.
Put it in there.
No, you go mine.
Hey, Mama.
Thank y'all.
You're welcome, Mama.
It was nice.
You get my
I hope the girls don't see that video.
I don't think they watch my videos, do they?
I had to take my back off my phone and listen to my radio.
Now y'all seen he just hit me, right? Now when I go in this house, he gonna get real relaxed. And I'm gonna slap the piss out of him. And that's what he gonna deserve. Cause he ain't have to do that. Hold on. I'm coming, Mommy. But y'all, I'm gonna close out this video right quick and go talk to my mama before she leave me. But huh?
I made sure I picked out some hard ones.
Hard what?
Avocados. I got you 3.
Oh, you got avocados at your house?
Uh-huh.
Nice. Okay.
Oh, I meant to bring you some croissants, Terrence.
He can't eat them.
He can't eat croissants.
We're getting back on keto even though he just cheated.